Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this nail primer, but let's get right into this. So this is a Max Bond nail primer. So if you're putting it on your natural nails, you want to use the prep. It actually tells you right here on the instructions. It says step 1, properly prep your natural nails, file and cleanse them. And then you're going to apply a thin coat of nail prep dehydrator and then air dry for 1 to 3 seconds. So that's the dehydrator if you have natural oils. Now if you are applying it on false nails, you won't need that because you don't have your natural nail oils. Number 3 is apply a thin coat of nail primer and then air dry for 30 to 40 seconds. This is the nail primer. And then you're going to go in with a gel nail polish or polygel. And then the last one is your base coat gel nail polish or polygel top coat. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Okay, so this is how her nails turned out. Let me see the other one. They're very nice. I like them. What do you think? You like them?
Yeah.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.